Today, I'm going to be showing you the magical powers of adjustment clips within Davinci Resolve. Let's get into it. So once you guys are in Davinci Resolve, first thing that you guys are going to want to do is open up your effects tab and then actually come down to the effects tab within the effects tab. That's not a trick.
Gotcha, bitch!
And come up to the top and you should see adjustment clip. So you can go ahead and drag one of these down to your timeline. There's so many things that you can do with these things. It's not even funny. I'm just going to scratch the surface today and show you a couple things that you can do. So let's just pretend for a second. I got a couple clips down here that you wanted to potentially zoom on this lady right here. So, you do the normal zoom. Maybe change the X position, change the Y position. You would keyframe it a bit. Maybe we'll have it zoom out as she hits the water. Normal stuff. So let's just say that, and we'll pretend that that zoom followed her for a second. So then we will just take off this zoom here, make it so it's back to normal. Boom, position 0, position 0. So we got all that, we got the zoom on the lady, it zooms out. So let's say we wanted to recreate this effect on this clip over here. We wanted to also have it zoom on the lady. Let's pretend she's also in the same position. So, we'd have to come to the beginning. We'd have to keyframe out what we want. We pick the section that we want, keyframed in where it would zoom out. Boom. Boom. It's a little tedious, takes a little bit more time because you got to do it on multiple clips. I'm going to show you how you can do this on one clip and recreate it. So that's what the adjustment clip's going to be for. We'll just reset all this. We'll do something different. And we will drag this and make the adjustment clip just as big as this first clip. We'll do the same thing. Boom, zoom, say something like that. Boom, boom. We didn't keyframe the beginning, so I'm just going to switch that up. So now we got a keyframe at the end of the adjustment clip, and we got a keyframe at the beginning. I'm just going to reset this to the normal zoom, set this, and now we have a similar zoom here, except it's on an adjustment clip. So the cool thing about that is you can actually either move this. Let's say you put it on the wrong clip and we want it on the woman sitting. Now this is going to look a little bit funny because it's not positioned on her, but you have that same effect. So you can go ahead and move this to any clip you want. Same thing. Move this thing around. Now, another cool thing is you can actually hold Alt on your keyboard, click on it, and duplicate it. So now you have it in multiple spots. So let's say we want it in somewhere over here, somewhere over here. Now we got it there, and we got it in here. Let's say you forgot to color grade your clips within Davinci Resolve, all carrying a similar color grade. Go ahead and make an adjustment clip, stretch it throughout the whole timeline or however long you need. Go to the color tab and add your adjustments. So we can just get all crazy in here, make this clip purple. But as you can see, this will stretch across your whole entire timeline and you won't need to individually color grade every single clip. If you forgot and kind of chopped things up and you needed it all on this one clip, now you have it all across every single clip. Boom. So that's going to be all for this video. Maybe I'll make another video on adjustment clips in the future. If this video helped you guys out, make sure you guys smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe because I'm going to be making more tutorials on Davinci Resolve to help you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.